Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to insert a page break in Google Docs. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you need to open up your browser and then you will search for Google Docs, and then you need to just click on this first link here, and then from here you need to just click on go to Docs option, and from here just click on this blank option, and I will insert some kind of text here. Okay, so maybe like this is the text here. Okay, maybe this is the text here. Now if you want to insert a page break here, basically like at this point here, you will go to this insert option, and below here you can see this option where it says break, and here you can see page break, and this is a shortcut key for this also. So when you click on this page break, you can see that we are now into the next page. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.